Certainly, Nom Banh Chok is a beloved Cambodian dish that combines freshly made rice noodles with a fragrant fish curry. Let's dive into the recipe. Authentic Nom Banh Chok recipe. Ingredients: freshly made rice noodles. You can find them at local markets or make your own. 1 cup fish stock, homemade or store-bought. 1 tsp prahuk fermented fish paste. 1 cup coconut milk. 1 tsp salt. 1 tsp fish sauce. 1 tsp palm sugar. Fresh vegetables such as cucumber, bean sprouts, and herbs for serving. Instructions: pound together the krowung, a citrusy Cambodian curry paste, sugar, salt, and fish flesh. In a pot, bring the fish stock to a boil. Add the prahuk, coconut milk, fish mixture, salt, fish sauce, and palm sugar to the boiling stock. Bring the broth to another boil, ensuring all flavors meld together. Serve hot by ladling the aromatic curry over freshly cooked Khmer noodles, Nom Banh Chok. Garnish with fresh vegetables and herbs. Enjoy this delightful Cambodian breakfast, rich in flavors and tradition.